very good morning to judges and teachers. Myself Preeti Chauhan
And I am Anushka Mandal.
and we have prepared a project on environmental and climate change.
First of all, we will see what is pollution. Pollution is when harmful substances like gases, smoke and chemicals are introduced into the environment that contaminates it, causes damage to the living organism.
Causes of air pollution. Motor vehicles like cars, buses, trucks emit harmful gases. The principal gases emitted by the motor vehicle is carbon dioxide and some nitrous oxide. These gases cause the surrounding air to get polluted and contribute to climate change and global warming. Now we will see some pollutants, its sources and effects of air pollution. First we will have a look on sulfur dioxide. Its sources are factories that coal and mineral oil used as fuels. Its effects are irritation of eyes, respiratory tract, excess mucus, cough and breathe. Next we will have a look on carbon monoxide. Its sources are vehicular and industrial smoke. Its effects are lowered O2 carrying capacity of blood. Next have a look on oxides of nitrogen. Its sources are vehicular smoke. Its effects are irritation of respiratory tract and lungs. Next is particulate matter. Its sources are vehicular and industrial smoke. Effects are respiratory diseases.
Emission from factories. Factories emit several gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and other hydrocarbons that mix with the air. You can see here the chimneys of the factories are polluting the air through smoke, causing degradation of the air quality. Now we will see what is deforestation. Deforestation is the primary cause of air pollution because fewer plants and trees can cause less absorption of carbon dioxide. We all know that increasing the amount of carbon dioxide is not suitable for our environment. Deforestation in the northeastern region have led to 70% of tree loss in India between 2001 and 2018. Most of the deforestation in northeastern states have happened in Nagaland, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram. You can see here people are cutting down the forest due to which the amount of trees has decreased and the amount of carbon dioxide has increased, and because of lack of oxygen the animals die. The effects of deforestation are increase in temperature, animal death, extinction, etc.
Now we will see what is water pollution. The main element of water pollution is due to industrial waste. Industries often dump dirty water, used chemical, oil, sewage and cafeteria waste directly into the ground or into a community water source such as rivers, lakes and streams. Now here as you can see, the industrial waste is directly dumped into the river which can poison the river water. And if any animals drink this water, it can suffer or may die. The aquatic animals are also suffered due to this water pollution. Now the effects of water pollution will be explained by my friend.
Effects on human beings are diseases like hepatitis, typhoid, diseases of skin and alimentary canal, ailments of liver, kidneys, brain, deformities in bone, hypertension. Effects on ecosystem are retarded plant growth, loss of plant species, increase in salt content of water, death of aquatic animals, adverse effects on seabirds.
Now we will see what is climate change. Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, such as through variation in the solar cycle. Now we will have a look on causes of climate change. The causes of climate change are manufacturing goods, greenhouse gases, burning of fossil fuels, generating power, cutting down forests. Effects of climate change: rising of sea level, hotter temperature, more severe storms, increased drought, severe heat waves. Now we will see weather-related climatic factors: atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, rain, visibility and temperature.
Glaciers are melting down from the mountains since the Industrial Revolution. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases emissions have raised the temperature and even higher in the poles, and as a result, glaciers are melting and retreating on land. As the earth heats up due to climate loss of ice has already reached 335 million per year, which is 30% of the current rate of ocean growth. The loss will impact supplies of fresh water for drinking and a host of other human activities.
Dagal, the capital of Bangladesh, has experienced many high in humidity due to some temperatures.
Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana are becoming more hotter day by day. The temperature in this region are 30 to 35, 30 to 32 degree, but now are becoming 37 to 38 as well as 41 degrees Celsius.
To stop all this, we need to take some preventive measures, such as by saying no to plastic, by using water and electricity wisely, by planting more and more trees as much as possible.
Nevertheless, the conclusion is that natural systems all over the world are being affected by temperature increase and regional climate change.
The main aim of making this project is to make people aware of the problems that can come in future due to pollution, climate change and deforestation.
Thank you. Hope you like our project.